G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. First off, just like to thank everyone who's recently subscribed and the subscribers in the past, of course, as usual. In this episode, going to be doing the handbrake, so I'm going to pull it down and give it a fresh up, get rid of any rust, revamp it and make it almost brand new. And all I'll have to do then is buy a cover to go over it. So let's get into that. So this comes off this part here. Okay, so on the end, and you can see the groove where it lives. So that comes off. So I'm going to give that, there we go. So that's what locks that in. And then this will pop out. So there you go. Watch that doesn't take off and disappear for 100 years. Now I want to get this out so I can clean this metal and respray everything. Aha, it's just seated in there, it's not pressed in. Sorry, it's just seated in. So now I can clean that cup or retainer. There we go. Now, the round end goes in through there, but this end goes in first. So push that in and that goes in next. Might zoom this out, might be better. So this section here, it hooks in down below. How to get that out. Everything's pressed on. So this is pressed in, this is pressed in. So that this can't come out because everything's pressed on. And in the handle, I'm pretty sure there's another spring. I can't really get the torch on the right angle, so I'd have to look more into it.
So I didn't film this part here, but I did use some paint stripper and a angle grinder with a flappy wheel and a wire wheel also. And now I'm just getting any smaller areas that I missed before.
So I don't think that dent belongs in there. So there's a dent here. I don't think that belongs, so I'll take that out as much as I can. Nozzle's playing up, so I've got to hit it really hard, which I don't want to do, but anyway. I can do the rest. That's not going to be covered when it is unsprung, or when it's in the on position. Okay, time to put it all back together. So I'm pretty happy the way it's turned out. And most of it's going to be covered, but I want to take care of a lot of rust. Oh, missed a spot there. Will you see that? Don't know. Only when the handbrake's on and the door's shut. Put it back together time. So I could paint all that without it sticking together. I'll actually go give that a bit of a wire wheel, so it's got good contact. So the bucket retainer into there, that just gets pressed right down like that, that into there, and then easy as that. Spring. Okay, so you got the round hook side, it goes onto there. So I just got to give the handle a bit of a freshen up, and it can go back on. So I'm just using some brake cleaner, parts and brake cleaner. Just put plenty on so it's actually soaking into the, I think it's overspray actually. Bit of paint. Okay, so in the car, in the vehicle, the finished product, and that's it there. Not bolted in, it's just stubby fitted there. So there is an actual vinyl or a leather sleeve that covers everything in the end when it's bolted down. So this handle, I gave it a respray, the actual rubber handle here. So out in the sunlight, I did go down a bit too deep with the paint removal, but you're not going to see any of that. And this has got about 3 good coats of everything, and even a clear, and the handles, like I was saying, it's all done as well. So really happy with the final result. So that's it. That's all done. So with these projects, you just sort of try, and when you're rebuilding a car, you're just trying to knock over things, what you can do. I try and do one item if possible a day. If I'm in the shed for 10 minutes, try and get something done, or it might be 3-4 hours, but make progress. You're just getting somewhere. As daunting as you get, it might be. So anyway, that's it for this one. The next one I'll be doing soon as well will be, what am I up to? Door scuffs. So the next one will be door scuffs eventually. The chrome's all gone to shit. So that's what will be next up, possibly. I've still got wiring, as you can see on the ground here. There's more to come with the wiring. I have had progress, but soon an up and coming video. What else have I got? I've got new suspension bushes. They've arrived, so I'll be doing the front end. I've got new ball joints, so stay tuned for that. If you're interested in the HZ build, yeah, subscribe, hang around, and love the support. Thanks guys, see you on the next one. See my dog in there. And thanks a lot guys, really appreciate it.